let's get into it. So today we're going to talk about several free websites that you can jump on right now and start making good money. So I'm talking $10, $20 every 20 minutes, because basically what they are is they're websites that pay you for short little videos of you giving your opinion, testing another website. Typical times of these videos and these tests are 10 to 20 minutes. That's why you can earn some pretty decent money pretty quick. So I had friends ask me, where are some quick, easy ways I can make money online without having to go and learn a bunch of stuff and go through courses. I just want to make money right now. So I decided to make this video, and let's dive in. So the first website we're going to look at is userlytics.com. So you sign up. They will ask you to record yourself testing a website or an app, giving your honest feedback, and they pay you for it. It says once your test results have been approved, depending upon the user test, you can be paid $5, $10, $15, $20, or other amounts. Some of our projects pay as much as $90 for having fun expressing opinions while navigating the web. And check this out, you only have to be 16. This is the only one out of all of these that I'm going to go over that you only have to be 16. The others, I believe you have to be at least 18. And this is worldwide. You can do this anywhere around the world, and you can even do it on your phone. How cool is that? It means you can be anywhere. You can be at school at lunchtime. You know, if I was 16 and I had this, it would be over. I'd be making serious cash. Very cool. You'll also need your front camera. So for some tests, they're going to ask to record you. Probably for identification purposes. But yeah, they basically will record you testing out websites. I mean, it's easy stuff. You're going to get paid for your opinion. People need this information. They take this information, they give it to developers. Developers can fix issues on websites by getting honest feedback from you, navigating their website or their app, letting them know if something's hard or confusing. Let's move on. The next one is usertesting.com. Usertesting.com. Okay, so earn up to $60 per test. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and get paid. Very easy. So $10 every 20-minute video you complete. So yeah, 20 minutes of you talking, $10 every 20 minutes. That's about $30 an hour. That is not bad. That's pretty good for just giving your opinion and not having to do anything really strenuous, nothing that involves too much skill. You don't have to go to school to be able to do this. This is just easy money, okay? It's a no-brainer. This one you have to be at least 18. But I mean, since they're paying you through PayPal, I don't know how they would know if you were 18 or not. Yeah, I mean, looks like they are accepting people from all over the world too. So you can do this anywhere. Alright. TryMyUI.com. The next one is TryMyUI.com. UI is user interface. Get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback. Okay, so it lets designers and coders see obstacles that real people run into with their sites and apps. All you have to do is be yourself. Use the test website exactly as you would in real life situation and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so that the site developers can understand your experience. You'll be paid $10 for each test you take. It takes approximately 20 minutes. So it looks like they have a set rate that they pay. So $10 for every test. Each test is about 20 minutes. Again, that's $30 an hour. And you can do 3 tests in an hour, 20 minutes each, $30. Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, that's good money. I'm not sure of the age. I don't see anything that says the age, so I mean, you have to look and see and inquire what it requires. But here's the link: get paid to test up there. I'll put all these links in the description so you guys can go through and you don't have to hear me ramble on. But I highly encourage you guys to do this. This is just amazing. It's an amazing opportunity for free money. Okay, you're exchanging time for money. Everything in life is exchanging time for money when it comes to work, but most of the time you're working a crappy job and you're exchanging your time and your physical labor and your well-being and your emotional and physical well-being for money. I mean, and this this doesn't require all that. I mean, think of the jobs out there like plumbers, construction workers. They're exchanging their body and mind and time and health, for money. This is just time for money. It's a no-brainer. The next one we got is userfeel.com, okay? Become a tester and earn up to $10 per test. Each test 10 to 20 minutes. Again, same deal. $30 an hour, roughly. Could be more. I mean, if you got a bunch of 10-minute tests, you could make more. It looks like they have a lot of different rules. You should use a real name. No, you should use fake details while conducting a test. Okay, you should. Yeah. Okay. Wow, they have a lot of different rules and guidelines. So you should definitely read over all of these just to make sure that you are able to get paid. Because it looks like there are. See, what are reasons for not getting paid? So they put this in there because they probably have a lot of people who don't get paid and wonder why. Make sure there's not very much noise in the background. Multiple monitors, you recorded the wrong one. External camera, try to complete all the tasks. Make sure you okay, so I mean there's a lot of rules here, but no big deal. You guys can do that. That's easy stuff. Now this one is a newer one that I've heard a lot about. I don't have a lot of information about. It's EnrollApp.com, and I like their website. It's very hip. Their slogan is very cool. Be heard, not part of the herd. So it's like, it's very clever. Okay, so they want you to come through and test different apps on your phone or tablet, or you can do it on a desktop, and you get compensated for it, but you also get to collect badges that you can show off. It makes it kind of a way to compete with friends. They're very hip. They're very cool. They want to be looked at as the cool people. They want it to be a group. They don't want it to be as bland like these other websites are like, hey, come test and that's it, you get paid. These guys are like, let's make it a competition. We'll give you some rewards and you get paid. That's cool. Like I said, not a lot of information. Let's see, check out sample tests. Maybe you can see what they got here. Click on where you might get inspiration for upcoming. Okay. Click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. What? I don't know what that means. What does this page make you feel? Select up to 3. This page makes me feel it's trustworthy, I would say, and anticipation. Yeah, because I'm ready to go to New York. Why do you feel this way? Makes me want to visit New York after seeing the skyline and the affordable rates. That's a lie. $4,200. Jeez. San Francisco to New York. What? Why? Whoa. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Great. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Male. College graduate. Income. More than 100. Yeah, you already know. Alright, we're sending a response. Thank you. So that all day long, guys. I can do that all day long. Cha-ching. You know what I'm saying? Just do it. Just do it. Don't waste your time. Get on there. Sign up now. Now, those are all free, easy ones to go to. I just wanted to mention a couple others for anybody that has this kind of experience. LiveOps.com is a website for people that want to do customer service from home, but there's a catch. You have to have at least 1 year of experience in customer service or a call center. So I mean, but very cool. You can work from home, make good money. In this one, speakwrite.com, they're transcription and dictation services that you can do anytime you want. They'll do it. You can do legal transcription, law enforcement transcription, protective services, or business transcriptions. Another really popular one is Spanish to English or English to Spanish transcription and translation services. And The catch there, though, is that you have to have at least 1 year experience in an office setting doing data entry or word processing. So those two websites require experience. There might be somebody out there that could find this useful. These guys make a lot of money. I know people that work in this industry that are transcription people. They transcribe Spanish to English all day long and make serious money. And I know a lot of people. One of the companies I own, we have a call center, and another company I am invested in, we work with a call center, and let me tell you, the call center people, they make good money. It's a pretty easy job, but this is even easier. You can work from home. It's it's an invaluable service, being able to help people out with their issues all day long, and after time you figure out a good flow to it. You figure out a good script that you can use over and over again. It becomes easier as time goes on. Easy job, important job, high demand job. So very cool. Again, I'll put all these in the description below so you guys can check them out. You don't have to hear me ramble on. I appreciate everybody coming by, leaving a like. If we helped you out, if you learned anything, please leave a like, follow us, click the bell for notifications every time we post something. I know we fell off. We didn't post very much over the summer. We had a lot going on. We traveled, hung out with family, enjoyed life, but we're back now. We're ready to go. We're going to be posting helpful videos like this because that's our goal, is to help basically give people information that we found helpful to us in building our success and getting where we are. We are very fortunate to work from home, doing what we love, making very good money, owning a nice house, owning nice vehicles, sending our daughter to private school. I mean, you can do all of the same stuff. This is nothing special. We just followed certain things. There's certain things we did, and you can see all of it on our channel, what we did to get here. Meditation, positive attitude, believing in ourselves, trusting in ourselves, visualizing success, and then just following through. So it's not all luck or anything like that. We created our own luck. So anyway, just check us out. Thank you.